Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update QuickBooks Online chart of accounts for clean reporting, full guide step by step clearly. To update your QuickBooks Online chart of accounts for clean reporting, begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select Accounting. From the Accounting menu, choose Chart of Accounts. Once in the Chart of Accounts section, you will see a list of all your accounts. Identify the accounts that require updating or modification. To edit an account, click on the small drop-down arrow to the right of the account name. Select Edit from the options that appear. Make the necessary changes in the account window that pops up. Be sure to adjust the account type or detail type if needed. To save your changes, click the Save and Close button at the bottom right. Repeat this process for any other accounts you need to update. If you need to add new accounts, click on the New button located at the top right of the Chart of Accounts screen. A window will prompt you to fill in the account details. Choose the appropriate account type and detail type from the drop-down menus. Enter a name for the new account and any additional information needed. After filling out the account details, click Save and Close to create the new account. To delete an account that is no longer needed, click on the drop-down arrow next to that account. Select Delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up window. Keep in mind that deleting an account may affect past transactions. To keep your chart of accounts clean and organized, consider merging similar accounts. To merge accounts, make sure the accounts you plan to merge have the same type and detail type. Edit the account you want to keep and change its name to match the other account. Once the names are identical, QuickBooks will prompt you to merge them. Confirm the merge in the pop-up that appears. Finally, review your updates to ensure they reflect your reporting needs. A well-maintained chart of accounts will lead to cleaner financial reporting. By keeping your accounts organized and up-to-date, you can enhance your business's financial clarity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.